everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. If you love such videos, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today's video is yet another shopping video. So today I'm going to show you all where do you get nice and affordable household items. So this place is very common to you all, as I know. So this is none other than D-Mart. So let's go there and check out what all they have. So let's go. So we just started. The time is 5 o'clock in the evening. So we are going to D-Mart Kundanalli branch. So they have many branches in Bangalore. So this is quite big over here. So this is in Kundanalli. They have lot of place for parking two-wheeler, and for the four-wheeler parking there's a place in the basement. So few D-Mart branches don't have place for parking, but this branch has lot of space for parking. So even for the car parking they have lot of space, so you can park two cars in the same place. So as you can see that the car is going upwards, which means you can park two cars at the same place. So we just parked our car. So right now we are in the basement. So now let's go to the first floor and check out what all they have. So this is the entrance of the place. So D-Mart is always crowded, and if you come on the weekends, so this place is totally rushed. So the store is open in the morning 7 o'clock and it closes at 10 o'clock in the night. So if you want any household items and groceries, make sure that you visit D-Mart because they have an amazing offers running over here right now. So the best part over here is that they have beautiful house decor items. So just look at the small glasses. These are just for rupees 25. So these beautiful red checks blanket is just for rupees 99. So these are called as the baby blankets, which is for 99. You also get a bigger blankets for rupees 499. That is quite expensive, but this baby blanket is very reasonable. It is very comfortable for a single person. They have bunch of collections over here, but I recommend you all to go on weekdays. They also have offers running on pillows. Make sure that you check it out. So the quality of these blankets are very beautiful. They're very soft once you hold it. They have different colors in it. So this one is for 499. So coming to kitchen items, so these are called as the measuring spoons. These are very useful. I recommend you all to take it. This is for rupees 69. So as you all know that the storage baskets are very useful. So this one is just for rupees 599, and if you go outside this will charge somewhere around 699 or 799. So over here they have set of 3 containers for rupees 85. They have different colors in it. So in D-Mart the best part is that they have amazing collections in cups and tea glasses, jars. So this is a combo offer. So over here they're giving us the tray and the cups, which is for rupees 139. I think this is a great deal. So over here they have this beautiful glass cups. I just love this. This is very reasonable. So this is for rupees 29. So over here this mini milk mug is just for rupees 29. This looks very small in the video, but this is very huge. So coming to the next counter, over here they have these plates. So they have lot of collections in plates, starting from smaller size to bigger size. So the starting price of these plates and trays starts at rupees 19. So this mug is just for rupees 99. So in the kitchen items, the best part over here is the dosa tawa, which is for rupees 139. They also have some steel utensils. So the coffee filter is just for rupees 249. So on sale it is for rupees 229. So just look at this mini grater. This is for rupees 39. So if you need to get any household items, make sure that you visit D-Mart. This is the best place. So D-Mart also has clothing, footwear. So right now we have come to the first floor. So over here they have clothing for kids, men's, women. So all the clothing and the footwear is very affordable in D-Mart. It starts at rupees 29. So starting from kurtas to western wears, they have everything over here. So over here they have the infant shorts. So this is for rupees 29, 49 and 79. And there is also some sale going on in D-Mart. Make sure that you visit the place and then check it out. So in men's wear they have 50% off and they also have some sale. So coming to the ladies section, they have lot of collection in pyjamas. So starting from rupees 49, they have lot of colors in it. So these shorts for men are just for rupees 99. So don't worry about the size. They have lot of size over here, starting from XL to XS, double XL. So you also get jeans pants. So it is starting at rupees 299. So coming to the footwear, they have lot of collections in footwear. So the footwear starts at rupees 99. So here they have these ethnic wear flats. So these are very beautiful. They have different colors in it and also different size. And it is just for rupees 299. So if you want something in western wear, they do have. So they have lot of collections in western wear. So this black shoes is just for rupees 149. So this shoe is in black in color. You also get different color in it. So over here they also have cream color. So if you want something in a little expensive side, so over here they have this red color check shoes, which is for rupees 229. So here ends the video. So we left home at 5 o'clock. So right now the time is 8 o'clock in the night. So it's been quite a long time because it is a weekend. So the place is always crowded. So I hope you all love this vlog. And once you come out of the store, they also have some food stalls, some popcorn and ice creams. So that is it. If you have any queries, you can ping me on Instagram or else you can drop down a message in the comment section. So I hope you all love this video. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.